Hello, welcome to Theosophy in Wales. I'm Dave Marsland. Space. Well, Theosophy postulates two types of space. Firstly, cosmic space and then pre-cosmic space. Now, Blavatsky refers to both together when she uses the expression the universe in toto, which she describes as a boundless plane, the playground of numberless universes incessantly appearing and disappearing. So that takes in both cosmic space and pre-cosmic. I'll start with cosmic space. That's the easy one. Cosmic space is within the universe or is the universe, and how you want to look at it. It has the laws of physics, it has dimensions, it has duration, beginning and an end. Even scientists who don't believe there was actually a Big Bang normally accept that the universe had a beginning and will have an end. Now, Theosophy also postulates that cosmic space has 7 planes of nature. The lower planes are described as rupa and have form, and they have form in relation to the materiality of that plane. For example, thoughts on the mental plane actually have form, but at the higher levels of the planes of nature there is no form. So cosmic space really is the space that we what we know as space, that we understand. Pre-cosmic space. This is also referred to as unmanifest space. It's a difficult one, space that hasn't manifested. Now, this opens up two possibilities. That this is nothing, unmanifest space is nothing, not even empty space. But this nothing has the potential to produce universes. So whatever cosmology you have, at some point the universe something had to come from nothing somewhere along the line of the origin of the universe. It's a difficult one, that space that only exists in potential. So before the universe there was actually nothing, not even empty space. Now another possibility is pre-cosmic space is an attributeless void, and it has no laws of physics, no attributes, but it may have consciousness to enable it to produce universes. Now, I can see a possibility at some point that Fred Hoyle's idea of the steady state universe might come back in if we find a way, or somehow scientists prove that we live in a multiverse, which would effectively be, if it's the attributeless void as I've described it, would be a void containing any number of universes. Now, Fred Hoyle postulated that the universe itself had no beginning and no end, but that really ran into trouble. The Big Bang theory, with the universe beginning and ending as one. And I don't think there's many takers for Fred Hoyle's steady state universe now. But the possibility of discovering that we live in a multiverse and actually proving it would change the game a bit. That it could be argued that whatever it is, the attributeless void, let's call it, I can't think of a better term, an attributeless void, that the universe and many other universes are in, is steady state and eternal. As Blavatsky described, the universe as basically coming and going. It's also should be noted that as far as our perception of the universe is concerned, up to 1923, the galaxy was the universe. And Edwin Hubble discovered that certain stars were actually galaxies. So we now live in a galaxy of a galaxy in a universe full of galaxies. It may be at some point we prove that we're in an attributeless void that is full of universes. That would probably be considered to be eternal, have no beginning and no end. So there we are. Two types of space: cosmic and pre-cosmic space. Cosmic space, well, we're familiar with that one. Pre-cosmic space, still a highly speculative area.